Hi and welcome. In this tutorial I will show you how to make a single instance application in Lazarus. We will be using package called UniqueInstance. First I'm going to show you easier way than manual that requires a little bit of code. So let's get started. Open Package, Online Package Manager. Search for Unique and select package called UniqueInstance. Click Install from repository. Click Yes to rebuild Lazarus. Now that you have installed required package, we can use it in our application. Click on System tab, and add UniqueInstance component to your main form. Final step, enable it by setting enabled property of the component to true. Now we can test it by running it. As you can see, it works. And now, manual method through code. This is optional. First we are going to remove component from previous method, and in source editor, remove unit, unique instance from uses section. Now right-click on Unit tab, select tabs of project, open project, now double-click on project.lpr. Once inside, add UniqueInstanceRaw unit to the uses section. Then write this code right after application initialize procedure. Instance running is a function that returns true if there is an instance already running. Else it returns false. So, with this code we are saying, if application instance is already running, then exit current application instance. Now build the program and test it. And it works. So, that is it. Like the video and subscribe. Leave the comment if you have any questions. Have a good one.